Before you create any account online, pause for a moment. WhatsApp, Telegram, Facebook, Instagram, Google, whatever you're about to sign up for, ask yourself one simple question. Do you really want your personal number attached to every single platform? Most people don't think about it until it's too late. In this video, I'm going to show you a smarter, more private way to register any app you want, safely, quickly, and without limiting yourself to just one platform.
When you open the website, wait a few seconds and then select your required service. For example, WhatsApp service. After selecting the service, you need to click on the Get Code button. As soon as you click on Get Code, a number will be provided to you instantly. Now copy this number. After copying the number, open your WhatsApp and click on Agree and Continue. Before we move further, the website link is available in the description box below. You can check it from there and follow along step by step. Now paste the copied number here and click on Next. As you can see, the number is completely valid for WhatsApp. The verification process has started, and within a few moments, you will receive an SMS. Yes, as you can see, we have received the SMS. Let me zoom it in slightly. This is the OTP that you need to enter in WhatsApp. After entering this code, your WhatsApp verification will be completed instantly. As you can see, our WhatsApp account has been successfully verified. This is a very simple and easy method. Using this website, you can register multiple services. There are more than 195 services available that you can use to complete registrations b'shula and quickly. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section below. The website link is also available in the description box. If you want the next video on any specific topic, make sure to comment and let me know. Thanks for watching.